Welcome back, viewers. My name is Tanmay Padi, and you're watching Code with Dan. So today we are going to discuss about operators. So in Python, we have five different types of operators. First is arithmetic, next is assignment, next is unary, next is relational, and the last one is logical operator. So why we use operators is the reason that in Python, we need to either assign a value or to compare a value, or maybe sometime we need to add or subtract or even change the value. So for that, we are using different types of operators which are used and which can be used by the variables like a, b, x, y, whatever we give there, and we can change the value, compare it, generate different results for that. So the first one is arithmetic operators. So let me go ahead and for example, I'm giving a equals 5 and b equals 7. So now I just want to print a plus b and I'm getting it as well. This one we've already done in the previous video, so there won't be much difference in this. And one more is name to be. Yeah, so you can see plus, minus, divide. This is modulus. Modulus, if you don't know, for the beginners, I'm telling what modulus will do is here we have 7 and here we have 5. So when I did a by p, so it will be 5 divided by 7. So when I give 5 divided by 7, it stands for 7 into 0 plus 5. That is why whatever the remainder we are getting, that value it's generated. For example, here let us take a equals 10. And now we will, if we do a plus b, so I think the value should come at 3, but see, yeah, it's correct. We are getting it as 3. So this is what operators, sorry, not operator, the modulus sign does in Python. So these are the basic arithmetic operators which we use in Python. And in the later part, when we will be going to perform the loops, we will be using this on a very regular basis and you will be quite used to this topic also. So now the next one is assignment operator. Now what assignment operator does is, like I have already given the value of a as 5. Now what if I assign a equals a plus 3? Press enter, we'll check the value of a, it is 13. Earlier the value of a was 10. Now I have added 3. I have assigned a value of plus 3 here. Now can we do it with the other variable, like we can give a is equals to b plus 5 or something? Sure, why not? B plus 5. Yeah, so you can see here we can do this. Another way of doing this step is a plus equals to 3. So yeah, you can see here it was having 12 and a plus equals to 3 stands for a equals a plus 3. That generates us 15. This is how assignment operators work in Python, and you can give some other values also, like a equals 3 equals 4, and then you can do it. Now for other variables also, like a asterisk equals to 2, so a into 2 it gives 30. So this is how assignment operators work. Yeah, assignment operators. So the next one we are going to discuss is unary operator, and after that we will be discussing logical and sorry, what was the other one? A logical and relational operator. So for unary operator, suppose the value of a I am reassigning it as 6. Now I want to give a equals minus of a. Now the a is getting minus 6. So here what happens is you assign a single variable. This can be any other values, like in this here we have given it as b equals some value 7. So you can also give it as p, but the value, there should be only one term after the equals to sign. So that's why it is called unary, because it is having only one. If there are two, then it will be a binary term. So that's why it is called a unary operator. Now for assignment operator, sorry, not assignment, relational operation, I'm giving fresh values. Now I have given x equals 10 and y equals 12. Now I want to check the relation between these two. So for that, let us check x is greater than y. That is giving me false, sure, because x is 10 and y is 12. So for that, that is false. So that is giving me a false. Now if I do the reverse of it, so I'm getting it as true. Can we do equals to? So here one thing we need to notice is giving, comparing both the two, whether they are equal or not. We need to give 2 equals to, because 1 equals to will assign the value and 2 will compare it. So x equals to y will give me false. For sure it is false only because x is not equals to y on any case, right? This is surely a false one. Now can we do another one like x is less than equal to y? Yeah, it is true because x is less than equals to y. So it is giving us true. Now one more is left, and that one is logical. So in logical we are having three different types of operator, that is and, or, and not. Now if we give this case as equals to 10 and equals to oh my bad, actually there is a syntax error here. Let me check what is the error here. Okay, actually this should be 1. Again a syntax error. Invalid operator, maybe when equals to or no, I think it won't work for equals to. Yeah, I think this one won't work for a equal to symbol. So for less than and greater than only we can check it, because we are assigning the value. Okay, so this is the assignment operator. Here I have used and. So in and, both the conditions need to be satisfied, then only it will give as true. If the one of them is not matching, then it will be giving it as false. Like for another condition, we can give x is less than 100 and y is greater than 0. In this case, we are getting it as true because both the values are true. There is a difference in and or. If I give x equals to, not equals to, x is greater than, not 1, x is greater than 80, I'm giving it or. y is greater than 0. Now in this case this one is false but this one is true. So for OR operator, if any one is true, then it will give it as true. So this is how OR works. So now we have discussed AND and OR. So the last one which is left is NOT. So if I give NOT of X, it will give me false, and NOT of Y will again give me false. Now if I do again NOT of X, it will again give me false because it is false, right? We are giving a value. If there is no value for X, then it will give me a true value, but now it is not there, so it is a false. Now how to make it true? You can do it X equals to not of X, and you need X. So because X was earlier false and not of again giving a false value, so that's why we are having it as false in the final statement. So here you can see we have discussed different operators starting from arithmetic in assignment in unary. Then we have discussed relational operator in this part, and in the final part we have discussed about and or and not, and those are the logical operators. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.